Hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to each one of you. Welcome back to the class, welcome back to the session with me Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your listening educator. So already we have conducted 10 mock tests for your upcoming SBI and IUPS PO examination, prelims examination. And speaking of SBI PO examination, so we have seen last year also that only before 4 to 5 or 6 days before the examination, the admit card is being released, right? Already the last date was 8th of July. So chances are very high that in the first or second week of August, you might see the examination for SBI PO prelims. Why I'm telling you this? So that you keep a track of number of days left and how much do you still need to cover or practice or revise the complete syllabus, right? So keep a track of that and plan your complete day accordingly. Moving forward with the very first question, starting with alphabet test. Few questions of alphabet test, alphanumeric series we have, and Silog sitting arrangement puzzle. This is what we are going to study in today's class. Check this out. A small series is given to you of alphabets. What will come in place of question mark? What will come in place of question mark? Let me cross check the audio once. Till then, please continue. In today's class, check this out. ठीक है. So those who are in the class, do take actively part in the class. Do not just watch the session, but yes, do take part in the session as well, right? Yes. Anyone with the answer? Anyone with the answer? Let us see what pattern they are framing. So initially you will see that four alphabet, three alphabet. We have total three alphabets ABC written in some way. Then A, B, C, D and E are missing. Then F, G, H. Then I and J are missing. K, L, M. So first let us see that what are the arrangement or packet of letters those are being written. So those are ABC, then D and E are missing. F, G, H, I, J, then J, K, L, M, right? Now among ABC, how they are being written. So ABC first AB is written, then first element and last element. Similarly, FG is written, then F, then last element. FG, FH. Then similarly KL, then KM. KL, KM. M will be coming in place of question mark. I hope this question is clear. So a very small series was given. You need to find the logic, or you can say you need to find the pattern in which the letters are being written, and accordingly you need to find what will be coming in the place of question mark. All right, let us see the next question. Same series base but that of number. Check this out. Try to figure out the repeating logic, how the numbers are being written and repeated both. 1 2 nahi 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Can you see the repeating numbers? I think here there is no any number missing. Numbers are written in continuity. For example, chalo, take 20 more seconds before we start with the solution. It is 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, then 7 8 9. Okay. 1 2 3, how is it written? First, the last two digits are written 2 3, then first, and then 2 3 is written just the opposite 3 2, flipped. Okay. Similarly, 4 5 6, first last two terms, then first, then 56 will change to 65. Can you see 5 6 4 6 5? Next 7 8 9, 8 9 7, and then 98. 8 9, this will be 7. Only we are required to find one number in place of question mark, that will come out to be as 7. Is it okay? 7 will be the answer. I hope all of you are trying best. If you are very right, do ask. Next question. Position of how many letters will change in the word enumerate? Arrangement based question, rearrangement based question. Arrange according to the given statement, how we are required to arrange, and then answer. The word given to you is enumerate. The word given to you is enumerate. You need to arrange all the letters, alphabets, in alphabetical order from left to right. This is my left, this is my right. Alphabetical order from left to right. So first of all, there is no A, B, C, D. This will be D. Then 2 times E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. T is at its original place. Only T is there, na? Chain. अच्छा कुछ भूल गया. I think M, U, T U will also be there, na? Hmm. So this is change. This is change. R will be same position. Anyway, answer is 1, right? But read the question once again. It was not asked, it was asking unchanged. Unchanged here means what? That has not changed. That means same. So after this arrangement, after arranging all the letters in the alphabetical order of the given word enumerate from left to right, you were supposed to tell position of how many alphabets remain unchanged, or I can say same. So the answer will be 1. Are you solving? Devanshi, Devanshnavi. That is R. Very good. Next question. Waiting for your answer, Devanshi. Check this out. I hope you will answer this correctly. I just hope that you read the question properly and answer this correctly. Yes, Vaishnavi. Understand. The word given to you is understand. Read the operation very carefully, what the question or what the statement is saying. Devanshi, what is the answer? The position of how many letters will remain unchanged when the letters are arranged according to this arrangement. Is there any change in the language of the question, Devanshi, or is it the same? Position of how many alphabets will remain arranged alphabetical order from left to right. Let us first do this thing. Alphabetical order from left to right. Alphabetical from left to right. This is A. Then B, C, D. How many D? 2 times D. Then E. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Is it okay? D and E. Very good. So what D and D? Yes. This is D and this is E. Answer will be 2. This answer is wrong. Absolutely wrong. Now, can you think again, Vaishnavi? Why this answer is wrong? I had given you the warning that please read the question very carefully, otherwise, definitely chances are always very high. Whenever I give this question just after the previous question, and if you are watching my classes for the very first time, then there is a very huge possibility that you will make mistake because you will read this Not properly. You won't read this properly. This question, in this question, I am asking you how many digits remain changed, whose position have changed. ये तो same है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer will be 8. So there are total 10 letters, out of which the position. Yes, very good. So next question onward, be 100% attentive. 100% attentive, you will find such small twists and turns in your language of the question of what is generally asked, so that you learn how to read the question properly, right? That is very important. Pair of letters, you might be knowing this question. Again, the word is same, but the question is totally different. Here you need to find total number of pairs both in forward and in backward directions. Pair here means what? 8 positions change, that was right. Pair here means what? For example, there are two letters. Between them, number of letters in this word is same as that between English alphabetical series. You know this question, Vaishnavi, how to solve? Give it a try. Take 30 seconds, give it a try. Both in forward and in backward direction, okay? Remember this. Both in forward and in backward direction. So how do we check number of pairs? Let's see in the forward direction. Starting from you. So starting from you, what we will do? After you, V, W, X, Y, Z. We will keep on saying 111 alphabet, keep on moving 11 place ahead, forward. U के बाद V, W, X, Y, Z, no pair. And always we go from A to Z and we do not come back again from Z to A. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, D, E. Yes. D, E is one pair. R, S, T, E के बाद F, G, H, I नहीं है. R to S, S to T, then R to T also. In forward, we have 4 pairs. What is your answer? In forward, I have calculated. In backward, you have oh. Forward, we have I have calculated. So you can see. I think it's 6 pairs, both forward and backward, right? Yeah, that can be right. Let us check in the backward direction, right? Starting from D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Yes. N to R. R से S, T, U, V. नहीं. A, B, C, D, E. Yes. A to E. F, G नहीं है. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, S. T, U, V, W, D. नहीं, नहीं, नहीं. Yes, you are absolutely right. Total 6 pairs. If I bifurcate, then 4 pairs in forward direction and 2 pairs in reverse direction. Very good. Very good. We have few more questions, I guess. Yes. Same question, different word. The word here is nepotism. Take 30 seconds. What is the answer for this? Vaishnavi. Just the word is different. Question is same. Nepotism. Nepotism. The word is nepotism. How many pairs? Both in forward and in backward direction. 30 seconds are sufficient to answer these questions in your examination, right? Starting from N. फॉरवर्ड में देखें एन ओ पी यस फर्स्ट पेयर एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू ई एफ जी एच आई यस ई टू आई पी क्यू आर एस टी ओ से पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी नहीं 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 इन फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक वी विल बी हैविंग 2 पेयर्स व्हाट इज द टोटल आंसर और यू कैन टेल फॉरवर्ड में इतने रिवर्स में इतने Yes, Devyanshi. 3 pairs. So in backward, that means only one pair. Let us see. M N O P Q R S T S T U V नहीं है I J K L M N नहीं 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 I से J K L M N I से N O L M N O P. I think you have missed one pair. Which pair have you missed, Devyanshi? Can you tell which pair have you missed? Two pairs in forward N P E I. Two pairs in backward O P I N. I think I N you have missed. O P you have taken. Can you tell me once? Which pair have you missed? I N. I say J K L M N. J K L M N. Chances are high that you have missed I N. Can you tell me which pair have you missed? Chale. Meanwhile, let us move to the next one. Check this out. Again, one more question, same pattern based technology. TECH, no. LOGY, technology. You missed IN? Yes. Somehow I guessed it right. No problem. I think this will be the last question from this pattern, pair finding. You can take 5-10 more seconds, but try to answer this correctly. Right, Devanshi? Technology. The word given to you is technology. Forward direction T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. H. I, J, K, L, M, N. N, O. P, Q, R, S. L, M, N, O. नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. Forward we have just one, that is NO. है ना? In forward direction we have just one pair, that is NO. Reverse में देखें. Y से Z. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O, P, Q, R, S, T, L, M, N. Yes. O, P, Q, R नहीं है. O से P, Q, R, S, T. Yes. Very good. O to T, H नहीं है. तीन है. They are total three pairs. Very good. This time you have calculated right. Three pairs आ गया. Perfect. Next. Direction distance. Very easy. What is the answer? A man is facing towards north, first moves 45 degree in clockwise direction, then 90 degree anti-clock, then 135 clock, then in which direction finally the person is facing? In which direction finally that person is facing? Check this out. Vaishnavi, yes. Please answer. Easy one. देखो. The person is initially facing north. This is my usual north. This is east, west, north, south, usual sign convention. Initially, the person is facing north. 45 degree clockwise. This direction is clockwise. 45 degree clockwise. Then 90 degree anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise 90 degree. I will be facing in northwest direction. Then at last 135 degrees. So whenever you have big angles divided into smaller parts, 135 can be written as 90 plus 45. So I need to move 90 plus 45 clockwise. From here, this is 90, this is 45. I will be facing in east direction. What is your answer? East. Very good. That will be east. Perfect. Next. Again, direction shadow based. Question topic is your direction based only, but the question is of shadow based. Take 30 seconds, 20 seconds, solve this out. The time is of morning after sunrise. Sita and Geeta were talking to each other, standing in front of each other. If the shadow of Sita falls to the left of Geeta, then in which direction is Sita's face? West. Let us see. So, during sunrise, during morning time, sun will be in your east direction. Now, whatever person, whatever object is standing or placed here, its shadow will be in west. So, can I say that in the time at the time of morning, shadow falls in west direction, and in the evening, your sun will be at this west, so shadow will be falling on east direction, right? Now, here are two person standing in front of each other, right? This is the person, this is second person. This person's right, left. Is it okay? For example, this is one person standing. I am this person, upar wala. And one person is standing in this way. This person is this lower wala. Facing each other. This is your east direction. Shadow of both these persons will be falling on this west direction. Is it okay? Shadow of Sita is left of Geeta. Shadow of Sita left. Now out of these person whose left hand side pe the shadow is falling, this person. Left of Geeta. So this will be Geeta. So this will be Sita. Simple. Then in which direction Sita's face? Sita का face नीचे है. That is in south. What was your answer? West. No, 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 no. I think this is the very first time you are solving shadow-based question. Is it right, Vaishnavi? Have you ever previously solved shadow-based question? Now this is a 2D representation. Of course, I cannot show you 3D representation. But let me explain this once again. You have not answered it right. दोबारा से let me and make you let me explain this. All right. So, for example, this is east direction, right? I am one person, and in front of me, another person is standing. We both are talking to each other. So, our shadow, this is sun, east. Our shadow, I am just a object for sun. We all are object for sun. My shadow will be towards my right. And the person sitting here, that means like this. Shadow will be towards left side. So, this is sun. These are two person. These are two person. Okay. This person is this person like me. This is my right. Na? This above person is this person. Jisko this person is facing. This is my left, right, left. Have you understood this diagram? Very good afternoon, Arun. Today you are late by 26 minutes. But that is okay. You have entered at the very right question. You have entered at the very right question. Shadow based. Is this question Vaishnavi clear? Diagram is clear, Vaishnavi. The representation is clear. That is the reason I said that during the time of morning sunrise, shadow of all the objects, whatever the object or the person is, will be in west. And during the time of sunset, when the sun is in west, opposite, shadow will be in east. Have you understood this? Now, because this is sun, these are two person facing each other. Shadow to east mein hi banegi. These will be the shadows of these two person. Now, let us just give name. if the shadow of Sita is falling to the left of Geeta. Now you need to see that out of these two person whose left pe the shadows are falling. So this is the person whose left hand side pe the shadows are there, because इस person के तो right पे है shadow. This is it. इसके left पे, according to question, left of Geeta. So this person will be now Geeta and this will be Sita. Now Sita is facing in this direction and this is south. Upside direction, this is north. This is east, sun hai. This is west, right? For example, this is me standing. This is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. Simple. Yes, Vash. Yes, Arun. Is this question clear? So the answer to this question will be in which direction is Sita's face. So Sita is this one facing in this direction, that is south. South will be the answer. Next. So from next question onward, definitely you can try this out. Two questions already I have given. Find this out. Direction distance based, a very good passage based question. So if such lengthy passage is coming, 2 to 3 questions definitely you can expect in your both the examination, SBI PO or even IBPS PO, and in fact in your clerical examination also. Check this out. What is the shortest distance between A and B, and find the shortest distance between initial and end point. Hmm. Answer for this, 5. What is the second answer? You have said only one. Chalo, let us see. Praveen starts walking from his college towards his house in the north direction. Walks for 6 kilometers, then turns left. Walks for 3 kilometers, then again turns left 5. 5 to reach point A. This is A. Then turns to his right 4 kilometers. This is right 4 kilometers, then turns left 3. Left 3 to reach point B. And then turns left 6 kilometers. 437. 6 kilometers. कहाँ गया? Then turn right 12. From here right 12. Finally turns right 5 kilometers. Front gate of his house. Very good. One answer you have said 5. Under root 245. Right. What is the shortest distance between A and B? This is A, this is B. 3 and 4, 5 हो जाएगा. Pythagoras theorem triplet 3, 4, 5. Square of 3 plus square of 4, 16 plus 9, 25, under root is 5. Second, shortest between first and end. ये important है. चलो ध्यान से solve करो. Shortest between first and last point. Basically you need to find this. उसके लिए you need to find this. ठीक है. This complete was 6, this complete was 5. So can I say that this much length will be, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है, चलो हाँ ठीक है 1. Now if this is 1, this is 3, can I say that this length will be 2 and this is 1, this is 2, this length is 2. So this complete is 6, 7, 8 and 12. 8 and 12, 20. Is it coming out to be 20? First and last point. Check the vertical distance. Is it 20? फिर तो गलत है. दोबारा देखो. This complete is 6. This is 5. So this is 5. This is 1. If this is 1, then total is 3. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 12. 12 था ना. This is 12. This is 12. This is 2. And this complete is 6. तो 12 and 2 and 6 20 हो जाएगा ना. How this 245 is coming? Because square of 20 itself will give you 400. What about the horizontal distance? Okay, this complete is 3, 3 and 4, 7. It is 4, 6 a total. This will be 1. How? This is 4, total is 6, this is 2, then this is 1. So 5 and 6, this will be 6. 6 6 are 36, square of 20 is 400. 14. Under root of 20 is 436. Under root 436 नहीं आ रहा. Check this out. 14. Oh, yes, yes, yes. My bad. My bad. I have unnecessarily counted that. It was not required, ना. It was not required. इतना ही तो निकालना है. 12 and 2, 14. Yes, you are right. 14 का square is 196. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 12, 9 10 11 12 13. 232 will be the answer then. Under root 232. Arun, but still it is not coming 245. How is it coming 245? 12 and 2, 14, na? Smallest between initial and end. This is my initial point, na? This is end. This is 12 plus 2. 14 plus 6. मतलब square of 14 plus square of 6. Is it okay? 14 is 196 and niche it is 6 6 are 36. 232. What is your answer, Vaishnavi? What is your answer, Vaishnavi? Yes, Arun, can you confirm? Pythagoras will be applied, na? Square of 14 plus square of 6. That will give you under root 232. Shall we continue? Next. Find the distance between them now. Check this out. Root 232 ना ठीक है all right. 7 below no 7 नहीं होगा ना 5 plus 1 होगा. 5 plus 1 that is only 1. Check again. You can check again Arun later on. Answer will be 232 only. Devanshi has also confirmed this. Now check this out. What will be the answer? Two persons P and Q started separated by a distance of 200 meters west to east direction respectively. Now P and Q start walking north and south direction, walk for 25 meters. Now both are taking right turn 40 meters each. Now P and Q took a right turn and after walking 25 meters, both of them stopped. 120. All right. Two persons P and Q separated by 200 meters west to east. This is P. This will be Q. Total distance is 400. 200, sorry. West east. P and Q north and south 25. 25. 25. P and Q right turn 40 meter. Right turn 40 meter. Right turn 40 meter. 25. Right 25. This is 25. This is 25. So basically how much distance they are separated. This is 40. This is 40. 40, 40, 80. 120. Easy. Yes, Vaishnavi. Hmm. Let us solve one set before we end our class. Circular sitting arrangement. Was that question clear with Devanshi? Next question, check this out. A circular table sitting arrangement. 9-person circular table sitting arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If required, one more case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Acha. It is already given that only 4 of them are facing inside. So 4 are facing inside, total 9. 5-person will face outside. Simple. Alright, let us continue then. D is second to the left of B. A and B face towards the center. A and B face towards the center. That means A and B ki direction is given. That means it will face inside. Now, because the direction of A and B is known, I can start from D. D is second to the left of B. So, at any place you can draw B. D is second to the left of B. This will be D. Then one person sit between D and D. One between D and D. So, this has to be E. Then yesterday we have done this. Hmm. All right, then we can do any other question. Some friends are sitting. This also I think we have done. All right, then no problem. Let us practice some then questions of syllabus only. Yes. At times it happens. कई बार questions repeat हो जाते हैं. No problem. Let us practice 2-3 questions of syllabus then. 2-3 questions of syllabus then let us practice. Okay. Maximum, minimum मतलब क्या है? Sum. For us the meaning is sum. Watch is new. Watch is new. No new is cheap. Few cheap are second. Are second. Which of the given conclusion follows? Some seconds are not new. Can you see this? That some seconds are not new? Yes. This one will follow. Definitely true. Some seconds are not new. What is the answer, Arun and Vaishnavi? Devyanshi, Devyanshi. Some seconds are not new is right. No cheap is watch. No cheap is watch. This will be a doubtful because no relation of cheap to watch. If you want, then all cheap and second can go inside watch. All watch being second. All watch being second is a possibility. Third भी तो सही है. First and two, na, that is not right. First and third one will follow. First and third follows. How can you say? You cannot say. No, see, no cheap is watch. No cheap is watch. I am not saying that this is definitely false. I am saying that it is doubtful. It can happen, it cannot happen. We are not sure of this. इसलिए I have termed this as doubtful. CS मतलब cannot say. About which we are not in a situation to say anything कि ये सही है या गलत है. All watch being second. This is watch. All watch being cheap होता तो गलत होता. But all watch being second, this area is free. Here, if you want, you can place both watch and new without overlapping with cheap. Asking of possibility. So, yes, it is right. In case of possibility, it is right. Let us solve one more question from Silog itself. Check this out. What will be the answer? Only a few, only a few A is C, no C is B, all V are B. Right? पहला है no C is V is a possibility. What is your answer? You have not answered. Already it is given that no C is V. So is a possibility definitely false. Whatever we have already confirmed, its possibility is wrong. Some A is not B. Doubtful. Some A is not V होता. V तो सही होता. Related to B, relation of A and C, nothing can be said. If you want, you can place all A and C in this free space. So some A is not C, doubtful. All B being A. All B being A. Yes, it is a possibility. Third only. What is your answer? Acha, not a possibility. What? No C is V is a possibility. No C is V. No, it is definitely false only. Yes, Arun. Now the answer will be only third. Some A is not B. How can you say some A is not B? Some A is not V. Then it would have been right. Related to B, as I said, this can be A, this can be C, and no C is still V. A and C can completely be picked and placed inside B without overlapping with V. So when it is possible, then how can you say that some A is not V? You are able, B. You can place all A inside B. This is the diagram. Third one, all B being A. Yes. Pick complete B and V, put inside this A without overlapping with C. So yes, it will be possible. Is it okay? So as earlier also I have noticed in the class that your syllogism is not up to the mark. You need to practice, revise, understand the basic concept of syllogism. And for that, definitely in the daily class, we are bringing few questions for syllogs. But still, you need to practice a lot related to syllogs. One of the easy scoring and examiner's favorite topic is syllogism. 3 to 4 questions you can expect in any PU, any clerical, any banking, any insurance sector examination, right? So let's end it, and thank you all for joining, for being with me in this class. See you all tomorrow, same time, same place, and different set of questions. Thank you all once again. Keep preparing, and goodbye.